Nanay and Jessa will here. So Jessa wants to do some makeup video, makeup vlog. So I'm just done taking a bath, guys. Tingnan na ako kilay, upaw. So my Jessa has a pretty kilay already. Just a thick brows. So we'll start. First is I will put this one, guys, lip balm. Kasi sobrang putla ako.
I did not.
It's just a moisturizer. Lip moisturizer.
Yes. And this.
That one is lipstick. So you makeup also. This is your mirror. There. So I will do the kilay na, guys. Can you see that? I have lip moisturizer. So now I will do my kilay. Jess is started to put some. That one, Jess, is for the blush on. This one. Blush. Pink blush. No, not sa lips, ha. It's for the cheeks. It's not so pinky.
What is this for?
Blush for. This one, did you broke this one?
I don't know.
My Ate Jessa broke my pressed powder. So, we'll do the kilay first. So, maggamit muna ako ng pencil. Eyebrow pencil para pang line. Kasi sobrang, tingnan mo yung kilay ko, guys. Tingnan nyo nga yan, oh. Tingnan mo yung kalbong-kalbo. See that?
Oh no!
I will draw. I will paint my face. So, paningkamot, Jess. You do makeup also in yourself.
Well, what's next?
It's up to you. What do you want? It's okay. You will take a bath after. So, ma-remove ra ang makeup.
The water dropping. This is the lip.
See that? Oh, there's the line already. So, I used black eyebrow pencil
So,
for the line only, guys. Kasi i-combine natin siya later sa brown.
I can't open this.
See that line? Susundin mo lang yung forma ng kilay mo. So, I'm done with this.
I'm not done.
You're not done. I will put the brown one. You don't need to put like this because your kilay is very pretty na. See that? And then I will brush it. We'll make it fast, Jess. Kay basin mag-cry-cry ang baby boy. We cannot finish this. See that? Oh, this is the brown and the black eyebrow pencil. I will brush your brows. Other side.
I put that here.
So, I'm done sa atong brown. Meron pa akong pantay.
I'm not done.
I will put the powder. This is the two-way eyebrow cake. It's from sa Watsons niya lang maraming mabibili, guys, na mga mura na mga kuan. So, I will put black and brown also. The black and brown. I will dip it just like that. Then I will like that. else do you want to put, Jess?
I don't know. Is this
See
lipstick?
that? Oh. There. That's for eyelash.
What is this for?
That one, it's lipstick, liquid lipstick.
What is this for? What is this for? What is this?
It's liquid lipstick also.
It's the scissors.
So, ganyan lang. Hindi masyadong matapang ba. So, next, I will put some. Do I need to? I don't know how to put liquid eyeliner, guys. It's very fun. I will try. Total, ma-erase naman siya. Take this. I don't know how to put on this one. There's a small already. Can you see it already, guys?
No? Yes, say no, because it's teeny tiny in your eyes. I want to get prettier on you. What can you do?
Diyos ko, ang hirap maglagay nito, guys, ha? Kasi hindi ako sanay. Ang lagi ko lang nilalagay is kilay, face moisturizer, at saka lip balm or lipstick. Ganyan lang. So, kapag ganito, talagang kikita niyo na ba yan? Pak. Pak, pak, pak.
It just still like you. You're prettier me.
Huh? No, you're prettier than Nana.
But I not put some more stuff. I put this in.
So, ang hirap talaga nito maglagay, guys. Hindi mo, alam mo yung hindi ma-plaster, guys? Hindi makuha lahat ng magandang kesa dito sa
I like
kabila.
to put this on it.
This one is for this a lip liner. Here. For the line like that. Like that.
I like to put big
What do you want to put on? Oh no, what happened to my eyes?
So awesome.
You don't like that? See? You're pretty, ha? Ang putla ko, guys. Next is, nakikita niyo ba yung nakakalokang eyeliner ko, guys?
Oh no!
I will put,
Getting prettier.
I will use this one. Pwede ba ito dito, guys? Para hindi masyadong maputla yung mukha ko. Kasi wala akong eyeshadow. Kasi hindi naman ako gumagamit ng eyeshadow. Para wag lang masyadong maputla. See? Pwede pala lipstick, guys.
I'm still going, guys. And then I need to go to wait me.
Put again.
I need to go to wait. Next is
Pero nga, ha? nakakalimutan of anything in my face. Like the moisturizer alone in my face. Eyeliner in your face, Jess.
Oh. I thought.
Hi guys, it's me and my Jova. Wow, you're a very pretty girl. Smile daw, smile pretty girl.
It's okay, you will have muted pa man.
Smile pretty girl. Hey.
With the other side. Ay, you're so... Gabi ka. Oh, you're so pretty.
I'm not like your mommy. Like.
Bebe.
Hello, girls. Wow. You're much better in